quick walk around, see what it looks like. Customer already had the AFE power, you know, intake piece here, but this comes with the kit. Or actually, this may come with it as well. I don't really remember. I'm sorry, but Twin 69. Got the Fore Innovations dual regulator set up. One is for the direct injection, one is for the port injection. Customer put Raptor wheels on it, Raptor style grill. It's got the Roush exhaust. Again, it's quite loud, but that's all. Just a pretty unsuspecting truck. Like I said, in the right conditions, it does spin the tires around 70, 80 miles an hour. So you got to watch yourself if you have traction off. But that's it. Just a quick ride along. I did the logging for Lund Racing. Usually it's pretty much a 1, 2, 3 and done. This one we've had some back and forth with. I had little fuel slosh issues just because it was low on fuel, and these are big tank trucks. So when you come to a stop with, you know, under a quarter tank, it will stall, or it could stall out. So added fuel. That was on pump gas. Pump gas around here is really not that good, so had to switch over to E85, because what happens is up top you can feel the truck pull like a freight train to about 6K, and then it starts to nose over, and that's just the computer pulling timing, trying to save the truck. So it's not a bad thing, but we converted over to E85, flashed the E85 Tune. We do have the LRX device here, which lets you log and see everything pretty much live. These trucks do boogie with this VMP Odin on it. I know VMP is discontinuing these things probably in the very near future, and he's just going strictly to the Whipple units with his lid on it, which I'm not a fan of. No offense to Whipple, but I don't think his product lasts as long as something from Magnuson, which is who makes the blower for VMP. This truck does have LTH Long Tube Headers on it. Again, these are just my opinions, but LTH Long Tube Headers, high flow catted mid, and Roush Catback on this truck. So it is quite loud. It's got a little bit of a helicopter drone at this RPM or this speed. I do have traction control off. This truck will blaze the tires around 80 or 90 mile an hour, which is wild, you know, just under watt. It's pretty planted when you first get on it, but once you get climbing to the higher RPM, she does start to roast tire. And this is a full 4-door truck, short bed, 2-wheel drive. It just has the locking diff option. But I'm just showing you, you know, this is pretty stock drivability, streetability with it. It is on the 85, so that's why I only have 84 miles to empty, you know, with a quarter tank, which is sad. But E85 burns 30% more fuel, so you got to expect it. This is a trade-off to have a little more power. But once this light turns green here, I'll just do like a quick half throttle through here, since this is residential, but it sounds like a power stroke with the 10 speeds, like argh! But as you can see, it gets right up to speed, no problem. That was literally, you know, just under half throttle, just breathing on it. Nothing fancy. I'll do a watt hit right after I stop getting cut off here in construction zones. I'm trying to get a little pull in here for you guys. Do a little 4th gear ripper here. alternator, but it sounds good under watt, but the drone and everything else elsewhere bothers me. But again, modless, this is just a stock VMP 265 Magnuson Odin. It has a 88mm upper pulley, stock lower. We had to do the 6-rib AC compressor conversion because these trucks all have 4-rib AC compressors on them from Ford, so you got to convert it so that way the drive matches. It's got FIC 1000 fuel injectors, and we did a Fore Innovations twin pump fuel system. Has twin 450s in it with the FC2 controller to control the two pumps to make everything happy. But aside from that, that's it. Long tube headers, injectors, fuel system, blower, done. Lund tuned on 93 and E85. Again, you will get the most out of your E85. The pulley is a little aggressive from VMP for pump gas, so it will pull